Hello everyone, in this video we will understand one of the most powerful deep learning techniques for image processing, convolutional neural networks, commonly known as CNNs. CNNs are specialized neural networks designed to automatically learn spatial features from images. They power modern applications like face recognition, medical imaging, self-driving cars, and object detection. Traditional neural networks treat images as flat vectors, but images have spatial structure. Nearby pixels are related. CNNs solve this problem by preserving spatial relationships, reducing parameters, automatically extracting important features. This makes them highly efficient for image-based tasks. A CNN mainly consists of three key layers. Convolution layer. It applies small filters, called kernels, over the image to detect patterns like edges, textures, and shapes. Each filter learns a specific feature automatically during training. Activation function, ReLU, introduces nonlinearity, allowing the network to learn complex patterns. Pooling layer reduces spatial size, making computation faster and helping prevent overfitting. After several convolution and pooling layers, we use fully connected layer. This layer performs classification based on extracted features. During training, the model makes predictions, loss is calculated, backpropagation updates filter weights. Over time, early layers learn edges, middle layers learn shapes, and deeper layers learn complete objects. Today's advanced architectures like ResNet, EfficientNet, and Vision Transformers hybrid models build upon CNN principles to achieve state-of-the-art accuracy in image classification and detection tasks. CNNs remain foundational in computer vision research and real-world AI systems. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will explore practical implementation of CNNs using Python.